How to buy crypto in Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto in Robinhood. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Robinhood application, and what you want to do is here at the bottom you'll find the search bar. In my case it's not here because my account isn't verified and such. However, if your account is verified and you have added or linked your bank accounts, you'll get the search bar at the bottom right. You're gonna tap on search bar there, and on this search icon you're gonna search in for crypto. You wanna simply type in crypto, and you can type in particular cryptocurrency that you want to buy. Here under the list, if I just scroll down below here, you can see cryptos to watch. There are 4 different cryptos to watch here. So what you want to do is you want to tap on the particular crypto detail page and you want to head there, right? In my case there is no any option to buy, but you'll get the buy option there. You want to simply tap on buy and you'll be able to buy it once you add in the particular details there. So you want to simply head into the crypto detail page there, and there you'll be able to buy it. Now here my account isn't verified, so here you can see it says thanks for your interest in trading. We are currently reviewing the info you submitted. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.